Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a Dyson V11 stick vacuum. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so this is my new Dyson V11 stick vacuum. I'm going to show you how to use it. So first, I'm going to start off with the physical things about it. Well, let's start off with the attachments. That's probably the first thing to deal with. So you'll notice that it comes with lots of attachments, okay? Now, essentially on the attachments, there's this little release lever. When you push that down and hold it down, you can pull the attachment off. To insert the attachment, you line it up, just like that. You line up the little release lever with the notch, push it in place. It's now securely in place. To release it, you hold down that little button, and then you pull it off, just like that. The coolest thing about it is that all of the attachments will work on the actual Dyson vacuum and also on the extension pole. So we have an extension pole here, and all the attachments will also attach to the end of this over here. There's a little piece over here that goes onto the tube of the extension pole that holds two more attachments. Really easy to put on. You just kind of wiggle it on there, and then you can put your attachments in place over here. I chose to put the brush attachment and the crevice tool because those are going to be the ones that I probably use the most. Even though 95% of the time I'm just going to be using the roller head over here. Okay? Really, really cool. To empty the canister, I'm going to remove the long pole because it's a little bit easier to work with. I'm sitting down on the ground now, okay? So, to empty the bin, the canister, there's a lever right here. Push it downwards. There you go. It opens up by itself and empties out. To close it, you close the lid over here and then push it back up in place. So to empty it, push that lever downwards. To close it, close the lid, push it back up in place. No problem, okay? Continuing on, filter up here. You wanna look at the filter, clean it, whatever the case is. Twist it counterclockwise, pull it off. There's your filter, okay? You can wash this with water, which is why they have that tap symbol right over there, okay? However, make sure it's 100% completely dry before you reinstall it. So to reinstall it, you put it back in place, okay? And you twist it clockwise while pushing downwards until it clicks in place. Done, okay? There's a screen over here, and there's a button on the screen. Now, when you push this button, it'll toggle between the modes, and it'll tell you the runtime. So right now, it's not fully charged. I got 30 minutes and 21 seconds remaining on the medium mode. Okay, if I push it, I can go to economy mode, okay? And that gives me remaining, okay, it's not showing the remaining. Well, let's go ahead and use it. Give it a second here. Let's see what it's gonna tell me. 55 minutes and 24 seconds. I can also go to boost mode, which is like a turbo, and that's gonna give me 7 minutes and 6 seconds remaining, okay? So just so you know, it's not fully charged, and I'm getting a notification that's telling me to fully charge it before using it for the first time. That's because I just recently got this, and I will be fully charging it tonight. I've been experimenting with it, but I'm gonna fully charge it tonight before I actually use it to vacuum like a big area, okay? There's a wall mount that it comes with. Easy to mount on the wall. I'm gonna do a separate video when I mount mine on the wall. It also holds the extra attachments, just like this, okay? So you can hold your extra attachments just like that. Really, really convenient, easy to use. And then there's a charger. So the charger plugs into a wall outlet up there. Let's just move this up here so you can see. It's plugged in up there to the wall outlet, okay? Really simple. You can see right over there, it's plugged into the wall outlet. And it plugs in over here to the front, or the bottom portion, I should call it, of where the battery is. There's a little outlet right there, a little port, plug it in, and you're gonna get an indicator telling you that it's charging. Very simple and straightforward, and you're gonna get the percentage. So right now mine's at 70%. I'm gonna charge it fully before I use it like 100% to vacuum a large area, okay? Very simple and straightforward. That's it, that is how to use it. Oh, sorry, to turn it on, I guess I should have said this. To turn it on, there's a button right here. You press and hold it down, and it turns on. And then when you're holding it down, you can cycle through the modes. Turbo, medium, economy, or like a low mode, right? Medium, turbo, medium, low. So you can cycle through the modes like that. That's it, really easy. Easy to use. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.